Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an indoor grow light stand. It's been pretty cold out lately, not much is growing outside, so we'll do it inside. Today the temperature, it's pretty dang cold. Minus 24, minus 32 with the wind chill. So I always find if you dress for how you want to feel, it's not so bad. I picked up two of these 10-foot long sections of PVC pipe. I already got them marked out. I'll cut them up and then we'll move it inside. Alright, I had to put my sweater back on. It's too cold. I tried to sweep the floor and the broom broke, so don't want to get frostbite. I just hope this pipe isn't super cold where it shatters in my face. I had it inside for a while warming up, but I guess we're going to find out. Now we can go inside. Okay, now that we're back in the house, I'll show you what we're working with here. So basically it comes in 10-foot sections, and this is actually 2-inch PVC central back piping, because that was a lot cheaper than just the PVC pipe. It looks like the same stuff, maybe a little thinner, but it's strong. So basically I have 3 5-foot sections. 2 will be for the height, 1 cross beam, 4 1-foot sections that are going to be for the base, 2 90-degree elbows, 2 T's, and then 4 end caps for the base. All in all, for all the PVC piping and fittings, that was $44, $43.37. I had that T8 fluorescent light fixture already, but they're pretty cheap if you're going to pick one up. I think it was like $25. So I'm just going to move you back here and I'll build it. It's going to go together real quick. Pretty much you can do whatever size, whatever lengths work best for you. I figure it's going to be better for me to have the taller height and then just drop the light. kind of put them in loosely, kind of get everything square, and then I'll push them in tight. Pretty strong bulbs, I'm not worried about it. They both work. So there you go. Take you longer to put the light bulb in than it will to build it. I'm happy with it. I'll get some longer chain to lower the light. All in all, it's not going to take very long to build. It's not going to cost very much money. See you guys later.